Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete videos from your collection and also delete the actual collection itself on TikTok. So go to your profile page and go to your saved button here, and you are going to select collections. Select the collection that you want to delete. For instance, you want to just delete one video, just select manage videos, select it and press remove. Or you can delete the whole collection by pressing the share button and pressing delete collection and press delete. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!